So you want to become unstoppable at hacking? A cyber force of nature? Here's the simple truth. Realize you have power. Yep, that's it. Look, cybersecurity isn't supposed to feel like you're doing taxes in a hoodie. It shouldn't take 3 Red Bulls, a motivational speech from a YouTuber, and a dramatic rewatch of Mr. Robot just to open your terminal. But I get it. Sometimes it feels like homework. You start off excited chasing the thrill of your first exploit, or CTF flag. But somewhere along the way, it just becomes another checklist. Halfway through a recon scan, you're wondering if becoming a barista was the move. That's when I had the moment that changed everything. Hacking isn't studying. Studying is studying. And let's be honest, studying can be boring. Hacking is art. It's creative. It's a mindset. It's like composing music or painting a masterpiece. It's not just about finding bugs in code. It's about thinking in angles no one else sees. It's like jazz for your brain, except your instrument is a terminal. Your stage is a messy network, and your audience is firewalls you're slipping past without a sound. Like a magician, but with Python scripts instead of spells, and a USB rubber ducky instead of a wand. That's real power, and once you feel it, you don't go back. You stop learning because someone told you to. You start learning because you want sharper tools, cleaner exploits, smarter instincts. Suddenly, study time becomes how many networks I can crawl before lunch. And when I learn something new, whether it's bypassing reverse engineering malware or finding out someone still uses FTP in 2025, I don't roll my eyes, I smile. Because that means my next hack just got better. So now it's your turn. Go break something. Go build something unbreakable. Go understand the system and bend it till it sings. And hey, if this sparked something in you, share it with someone who's still stuck thinking hacking is just typing fast in a dark room. And make sure to share this video if it lit a fire under you before someone hacks your smart fridge and makes it start mining Dogecoin. Thank you for watching.